Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Friends, in this video I'm going to share with you in just 5 minutes black lips can turn to pink and very beautiful. This magical remedy has a guaranteed results, my friends. It's very effective and very simple to prepare at home, and the results will shock you and you will get pink lips naturally and permanently. It works for black lips and it turns it to pinkish lips permanently. It doesn't have any side effects and it doesn't cause any irritation. It's very magical to use with very simple ingredients at home, and the results are in front of you. So the first thing we'll need in a clean mixing bowl, add 1 teaspoon of toothpaste, and here I'm using Colgate toothpaste. And then my friends will need to add 1 teaspoon of natural sugar, يعني كي شكر, and mix all the ingredients very well until you feel the sugar got melt into the toothpaste. Once you mix it very well, apply it on the black lips like so, my friends, with your fingertip, and apply a thick amount like so. And then very gently brush it with your toothbrush for 5 minutes and you will see a dramatic result, my friends. It's a permanent result. I hope this video will help you too. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming simple and natural effective remedies, and I'll see you in my next video.
So that was it, guys, today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.